Hey guys, Major again, your favorite Canadian YouTuber, and guess what? No way. But I've seen those unboxing videos. I know this letter. Greetings, Master. Boy, this is going to be awesome. Alright, let's get this thing open. Keep in mind, I don't want to damage the envelope too much because I actually want to save this thing. Ah, crap. Alright, let's try not to get any more bad rips. I know it's just an envelope, but this is one of a kind. This is one I definitely want to save. Letter from Master Eon himself. Sorry if opening an envelope is taking longer than it should. Alright. Let's see what Master Eon has to say. Greetings, Master. It is I, Master Eon. You may remember me from our many adventures together. I most certainly remember you. Your heroic deeds are well known throughout Skylands. I am writing to congratulate you on your fine Imaginator creation. It is an honor to include your hero in my book of Skylanders, to be enshrined forever in the library of our Skylanders Academy. You may now use this magical toy to bring this Imaginator to life on the Portal of Power. I look forward to enlisting the aid of such great champion and any other Imaginators you bring to the fight against chaos. Your friend, Master Eon. Alright. Let's see what we got here. Boy, a lot of big bubble wrap. Only the best for this thing. Oh, now this looks awesome. Once again, this is a box I definitely want to save. Let's see, is there any tape I need to cut? Guess not. Alright. What we got here? Oh boy. So far, so good. Is it? No way. Oh, yeah. That is awesome. Tell me, does this guy remind you of anyone? Anyone at all? Take a look at the sweet armor, sweet weapons, the backpack, and that face. Oh, no clue? Ah, what the heck. I'm just gonna show it to you. Boom! That's right, Ratchet from Ratchet and Clank. What do you think? Does it look just like him? Or at least pretty close? Keep in mind, I also have Ratchet and Clank Going Commando, and Ratchet and Clank Up Your Arsenal. I don't have all the Ratchet and Clank games, but I do have at least 3 of the first main trilogy. You know, believe it or not, I was actually trying to model this version after Ratchet's deadlocked armor. In fact, I'll even try and bring up a picture for you guys to see how well it compares. Let's see, deadlocked. Ah, there it is. What do you think? I know it's a little hard to see. Let's see. There's the armor, the weapons. Man, it's hard to get a good angle on this. I know it may not look exactly like his deadlocked armor, but it's the best I could do. And look, that backpack there is supposed to represent Clank. Now I know his deadlock armor doesn't have his doesn't have his tail showing, but in fact I remember when he said he felt like his tail was going right up his arsenal when he was wearing the armor. But hey, I thought it'd be nice to include the tail anyway. I know this may not look exactly like Clank, but it's close enough. What do you think? Do the weapons match the outfit pretty well? Okay, I think that might be a better lighting. What do you think? I know his face may not look exactly like him. For instance, his ears don't have the stripes, and his mouth is a little bit smaller. But other than that, it's a good match, right? I've been really wanting to see Ratchet and Clank and Skylanders. That would have been so awesome. And here he is. In fact, this might actually be a legitimate representation of Ratchet. The voice I chose for him sounds exactly like him. And the look isn't bad. Not only that, but just like in the game, you could switch between many different types of weapons. Sure, they all shoot the same ammo, but each weapon gives you different stat boosts. And he has and you could choose many different elemental and battle class attacks and swap between them anytime you want. And I've actually examined most of the tech elemental attacks and quick shot Imaginator attacks, and some of them actually represent some of Ratchet's weapons and abilities in the game. You'd be surprised. No. I might give you some more details on that later, why I think this may be a perfectly legitimate Ratchet, but I think I've said enough for now. Either way, I'm so happy this finally arrived. I've been waiting a while for this, and no doubt it was worth the wait. Well, if you guys want to see more of this in a new video, then please let me know. Alright. Well, I guess that's all I have for you today, guys. Bye. Eh?